Custom RC Mods here, and I just got done recording the return home video, but I'm going to be doing a super fast sport mode flyby. It's actually, the conditions have improved a little bit. There's not a light drizzle anymore, but rather there is a nice clear day. Of course it's a little cloudy, but you can see all different types. It's a little gray over there, a little sunny over here, and it's of course way blue over here. So this is a really cool day to be filming out with the Mavic, but I'm going to be doing a sport mode flyby, and this is really sketchy, but I have plenty of open space to do it, so what better place and time. So I'm going to go ahead and take off, start recording on the drone, and yeah. Okay, so the goal of this is to go over and fly to the corner of the park, and I'm not going to get too close to the corner because this is where the running area and walking track is, so I don't really want to spook anybody, especially being this low. And now you can see where we are over here, and the Mavic's way over there. So I'm going to go ahead and lower it down to about 20 feet. 20, 19, 20 kind of thing. Okay, so this is going to be sport mode flyby take one. Flip it into sport mode, go as fast as we possibly can. Let's go. And there it is. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back around. And I'm going to do that one more time for you guys. So let's go all the way back over there. I'm going to go ahead and flip it around. And get another word. Hopefully we're going to keep it straight. Coming straight at us. Okay, so that's enough fun for this video. I will have to see how fast I went there, but yeah, we're cooking upper 30s on those flights. So yeah, all these videos I tend to do line of sight just because it's a lot safer knowing my surroundings as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and land. Okay, so yeah, that's the sport mode video. I was, like I said, going about 38, 39 through those passes. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. It was lots of fun to make, of course, especially on this really beautiful day where the rain is kind of held off. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.